Hello guys, my name is Craig and welcome to Peri Solutions. In today's video, we are going to be continuing with looking at linear equations, right? But now they're a bit more complex with the involvement of brackets and fractions, right? But before we start, please make sure that if you're new to my channel, you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any new videos, right? So I shall now just attempt these 4 questions for you and show you how to deal with the brackets and handling the sign changes as well. So now we will start with number 1. So for number 1, we're required to solve for x, whereby we're given that 5, then in brackets 2x minus 1 minus 2 times x minus 2 being equal to 7 plus 4x. So first step here is to remove the brackets. So 1, we remove brackets, right? So if we remove brackets, then we're saying 5 multiplied by 2x, we get a 10x, then 5 multiplied by minus 1, we get a minus 5. Right, then minus 2 times x, we get minus 2x, then minus 2 times minus 2, minus times a minus will give us a plus. So 2 times 2 there, 4, and this is equal to 7 plus 4x. So this was the first step. Second step is to collect like terms. Right. So if we are to collect like terms, we're saying 10x minus 2x. Then if we take this plus 4x to the left hand side, it becomes minus 4x. Right, and this is equal to 7. If we take this minus 5 to the right hand side, it becomes a plus 5. Then if we take this minus 4 to plus 4 to the right hand side, it becomes a minus 4. Right, so now third step is now to simply simplify that. Right, so 10 minus 2 minus 4, we get a 4. Right, so this is simply 10x minus 6x to get 4x. And this is equal to 7 plus 5, that's 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. In solving for x, x will simply be equal to 2. So this is how we solve the first one. Right, so now looking at how we solve the second one. So this was number 1. And now looking at number 2. So first step, if we remove the brackets, we are multiplying what's inside the brackets by 10, yeah? Right, so 10 times x, that's 10x. Plus 10 times 4, that's plus 40. Then minus 9 times x, that's minus 9x. Then minus 9 times minus 3, minus and the minus gives plus. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Then we've got minus 1 there. This is equal to 8 times x, that's 8x. Then 8 times plus 3, that's plus 24. Right, so now if we collect like terms, we see that we've or maybe let's say simplify it. So 10x minus 9x, right? Then plus 40, this is 27 minus 1 is plus 26. This is equal to 8x plus 24. So this 10x minus 9x, that will give us an x. Then 40 plus 26, that will give us a 66. This is equal to 8x plus 24. So now if we collect like terms, we can take this x to the right hand side, then 24 to the left hand side. Such that we now have 66 minus 24 being equal to 8x minus x. So 7x will be equal to 42. Then dividing both sides by 7, x will simply be equal to 6. So this is how we solve for the second question. So now I would like to look at how we solve for number 3. So allow me to erase this one here. Right. So now looking at number 3, let me use right here. Right, so first step, if we first rewrite this as a mixed, as an improper fraction, this will be 8 multiplied by 2 times 2 plus 1, that's 5 over 2x. Minus 3 over 4, minus 1 over 4, 1 minus x being equal to 1 over 2. Right? And then now if we to remove the brackets here, we say 8 times 5 over 2x, that will be 20x, because we're saying 8 multiplied by 5 over 2x, then 2 into 8, 4 times 5, 20, 20 times x, 20x. That's how we're getting the 20x. Right. Then minus 8 times 3 over 4, 4 into 8, that's 2, 2 times 3, that's 6. Right. Then minus, here is simply 1 over 4 times 1, that's 1 over 4. Then minus 1 over 4 times minus x, minus and minus gives plus, that will be x over 4 being equal to 1 over 2. So if we group by terms, we're saying 20x plus x over 4, and then minus 6 minus 1 over 4 is equal to half, like that. And then now, if we simplify this, 20 plus 1 over 4, that's 20 and 1 over 4, which is 81 over 4. So here we have 81 over 4x. And then if we take this, that side, this will be half plus 1 over 4 plus 6. Right? But we know half plus 1 over 4, that will give us 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 plus 6, that's 6 and 3 over 4, which is 6 times 4, 24 plus 3, 27 over 4. So 27 over 4 is equal to 81 over 4x. Right, so if we see that 4 is the common denominator, if we choose to multiply both sides by 4, this 4 will just multiply, they will just cancel out both sides. Right, then we remain with 81x being equal to 27. So solving for x, we divide both sides by 81. Right, x would be 1 over 3. So x is simply equal to a pair for number 3. So that's how we solve for number 3. Then now looking at how we solve for number 4. Right, so allow me to erase this number 2 here. Right. So now solving for number 4, we've got 0 is equal to 9. Then 3x plus 7 minus 5, x plus 2 minus 2, x minus 5. So first step, we said we remove the brackets here. So 0 is equal to 9 times 3x, that's 27x. Then 9 times plus 7, that's plus 63. Then minus 5 times x, that's minus 5x. Minus 5 times plus 2, and minus times the plus will give us a minus. Then 5 times 2 is simply equal to 10. So now this is minus 1 times 2x, which is minus 2x. Then minus 1 times minus 5 is plus 5. So now if we group like terms, we're saying 0 is equal to 27x, right? Minus 5x minus 2x. Then plus 63 plus 5, then minus 10. Like that. So now 0 is equal to 27x minus 5x minus 2x. Minus 5x minus 2x is equal to minus 7x. So 27x minus 7x will give us 20x. Right? Then 63 plus 5 plus 68 minus 10, that's 58 plus 58. So now if we take this to the left hand side, this constant plus 58 becomes negative. So we now have minus 58 being equal to 20x. And if we divide both sides by 20, x will simply be equal to minus 29 over 10. So we can write this as x is equal to minus 2 and 9 over 10. Right, so this is how we solve for x for number 4. Alright, so this was looking at how we solve simple linear equations that have brackets. Right, so please feel free to leave a comment, drop a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.